video of the VLOOKUP function. So for the one problem, you have to do like multiple VLOOKUPs because you're trying to say, was the invoice quantity and price the same as the bill of lading and the sales order? So I'm going to do a couple just to show you how to do it. So when you come over to this cell here, you're going to enter into your formulas and then go into the lookups, find the VLOOKUP, and then the key is, of course, how you enter these. So our lookup value is going to go to our sales order number. So I'm going to highlight this column. Hope I can get all the way down to the bottom. Because the sales order number is in all of those tabs. So the invoice has the sales order number, the sales order tab obviously has the sales order number, and so does the bill of lading. So that's going to be what we want to look up. It's so darn long. Okay, so there's our whole column. So then I enter that, then the table array. So like first, if I want to say, okay, let's go to the bill of lading table. So I'm going to click that little arrow, go over to my bill of lading, and then say, oh, I think I need to move that over though. There's the sales orders there. So, okay, wait, hold on. Let's go back. Let me cancel that out. So I think if I go back to the bill of lading, what I need to do is move my sales order number over to this column. Okay. I think I was just playing around with that, so I'm going to delete that column. And let me go over to my sales order tab's already there. Okay, so I moved it with the bill of lading. Okay, so then go back here, do it again. So then find the VLOOKUP. And again, I'm going to look up the sales order number because it's the only one that's consistent in all of those. Okay, so that's my lookup. Then go over to my table, and then we're going to go to the bill of lading. And then now start with that sales order and go to the quantity. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that's 5 columns. So I'm going to go to this whole area. Okay, whoops. All right, so then that's my table array. Then the column index is 5. That's why I counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then say okay. And so then it's popping in the quantity. So then you can see, like, look up here. So here's my formula. So now it's popping in the quantity, and then I could compare them. Do you know what I mean? To go line by line, and then I can find out if there's any differences. Then you have to do the same thing. It also wants us to do the same thing for the price. So again, I'm going to do my VLOOKUP. And I'm going to look up that same sales order number. Oops. Okay, and then now I'm going to go into the table array of the bill of lading again, right? Or the bill of lading just has my quantities. Is that true? Okay, so then I think I have to go into my sales order. And here's my sales order number. And then now I'm going to want to go with the price. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, still column 5. So then go down. And then put in column 5. 5. And then hit OK. And then it's going to pop those in. And then again, to look at your differences, then you're going to have to just do like a regular formula to say, okay, this minus that, see if any of those are greater than 0, and then carry that down. And then the same thing here, I didn't go all the way down just to save a little bit of time. And same thing here, take your price minus our lookup price, and then carry that all the way down and see if any of those are greater than 0. So ideally, the whole goal is just to get you to play with that VLOOKUP, because in the work world, I use that a lot, that VLOOKUP, because you have masses of data and you are looking up product numbers or, like in this case, you're matching bill of lading numbers to sales order numbers. So that VLOOKUP command does that very nicely. So you just got to play with it and get comfortable with it. So that's kind of the point of this assignment. So I just want to see that you play around with it. I mean, hopefully you get it. Hopefully you get it right. I'd say just keep messing with it. You can't hurt the spreadsheet. Just close it out and open it back up and keep trying until you can get it to actually, give you some values that you can analyze.